Hi, I'm Jules from the Beauty School, and I'm here to do your kit unboxing for the Certificate in Professional Makeup Artistry. Here we have some Kryolan products. They are hypoallergenic and are high quality products which will be staples in your makeup kit. Let's jump right into it. First we have some makeup brushes. We've got an eyeshadow palette, a powder puff. We've got an Ultra Underbase Primer, a HD cream liner. Next we have an eyebrow powder palette. Next we have a cheek palette. We've got an Ultra Foundation colour wheel. We've got a concealer wheel. Here we have a translucent powder. We've got another Ultra Foundation colour wheel. Next we have Dramatic Volume Mascara. Next we have a lip wheel. Next we have a gloss and some lash glue. We've got some brush cleaner, some lashes. We've got some sponges, some contour pencils. Here we have a makeup palette. Got some disposable mascara wands, a sharpener, some tweezers, a spatula, and last but not least, a colour wheel. And that is everything you'll get in your professional makeup artistry kit. If you'd like to see more beauty related videos, please like and subscribe, and let us know down in the comments below what you'd like to see next.